Okay, so we want to find RS here. Okay, but in order to do that, right, calling this X and Y, right, if we can find what this 50 meters splits into, we'll be able to find RS. Okay, so here's what we can do. Okay, we know that X plus Y must equal to 50, and this is going to be important later, right? And if I use this side here, right, the RS is going, or this angle here, RS is going to be the adjacent and this is going to be the opposite. So then tangent of 32 is going to be Y over RS, okay? Now if I look at this angle here, RS is again the adjacent and then this is our opposite. So tangent of 26 is going to be X over RS, okay? Now why is this important? Well, if I add these two, right, if I add these two together, I get, right, adding both of these equations together, I get tangent of 32 plus tangent of 26 is equal to, they have the same denominator, so I get X plus Y over RS. But we know that RS is 50, so this just becomes 50 over RS, okay? So now all we have to do is isolate for RS, right? So then if we cross multiply by switching this, switching this with this, I get RS over 1 is equal to 50 over 10 of 32 plus 10 of 26, okay? So plugging this into your calculator, you'll get approximately 45 meters.